billion pounds of plastic waste end up in the ocean every year. That equates to 5 grocery bags.
That's become a rubbish dump. Its beaches are now more densely polluted with plastic.
Cups, bottles, polythene bags, nets and other discarded items dumped illegally into the sea.
Hi, so today I will present for the introduction for our project. Beach is one of the best places for everyone to spend their time and also can relax their mind by doing activities or just by enjoying the beautiful sceneries of the beach. But nowadays, as we can see, many type of waste, trash or rubbish that has been left or thrown away by irresponsible person. The problem statement for our project, there are many people that are used to clean the beach by using bare hands or using tools such as rake or grab stick. With this traditional method, they tend to counter problems like sharp things like glass that can cause injury to the person. Next is causing back pain with the person tend to bend down when picking up the trash. And the tiredness of the person to clean such a large quantity of trash and rubbish in a large scale of beach. The product objectives are, for the function, customer can clean the beach easier and faster using beach cleaner machine. It is consumer friendly. This product is easy to use and can be handled by mostly anyone. Next is energy consumption, less work needed to clean the beach. Product significance, this project participate in helping workers or organizers that to clean the beach using the less labor work. From this project, the beach cleaner will able to clean the beach with less time consumed and more convenient and easy way.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shukri bin Azman. My metric number is AD170017. So I will explain about the chapter 2, define tasks. For the related product, we have trash picking stick, model 600 HD, Barber largest beach, rake machine, and Sandman 850. Existing product, which is Sandman 850. It was high rate of speed for wide open stair areas, more moderate rate of speed for tight turning areas, lightweight, and easy maneuverable. And then we go to the questionnaire analysis. For the first figure shows that from the survey, we knew that people agree that picking trash and was efficient with the highest percentage, 38.3%. And then we go to the second figure that the study tells us that people strongly agree and natural with percentage of 21%. Beside agree, 50.6% that picking trash using tool was more efficient. Next, we go to the third figure. The survey shows that an overwhelming percentage of the respondents, 50.6%, feel that they strongly agree that to reduce the time to clean the beach need more manpower. And the last figure, the majority of the respondents agreed that they need product that easy to handle. 37 criteria for the future product to clean the beach easier and faster. Besides, 18.5% want to low cost product and 34.6% want an efficient product. Next, any suggestion for improvement on future product for beach cleaning? So, the customer need that product was ergonomic, eco-friendly, effectiveness, and also portable. Next, we go to the objective 3. So, beach cleaner, we have 3 elements, which is safety, performance, and marketable. So, under safety, we have ergonomic and environment. Ergonomic, we have protect user from back pain. Under environment, we have eco-friendly. So, under performance, we have efficiency and user-friendly. Under efficiency, we have low energy usage, less time consuming. And last, storage. Under user-friendly, we have short learning time and easy to operate. Under marketable, we have 4 elements which are durable, low cost maintenance, affordable, and easy to use. And last but not least, we have House of Quality HOQ. Here we can see that engineering characteristic and customer requirement. So we have raw score with 411, and the first rank order was weather resistant with 17.5% relative weight, and the last 10 rank order was weak with 5.1% relative weight.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Soleh and I'm going to present Chapter 3 Conceptual Design. Here is the component decomposition of a beach cleaner, and this is the functional decomposition of a beach cleaner. From the top, the body frame is used to hold all the components in place. The storage is used to store rubbish collected from the beach. The conveyor chain to transport trash to the storage. The hook is used to hook up the rubbish from the ground. The gear is allow the conveyor to move while the beach cleaner is moving. Next, the tire is to move the beach cleaner, and shaft to connect both tires in front part and back part. Next, this is the function structure of a beach cleaner, and this is a morphological chart of the beach cleaner. It's a design tool to generate a list of the concept of integrated design solution to design problem. And from that chart, we are able to come up with 5 different combinations. And here is a weighted rating method. From this table, we are able to choose combination with the most rating as our product. And here is the product sketching.
Chapter 4 Embodiment Design and Analysis. For this chapter, product architecture is the arrangement of the physical elements of product. Carry out its required function. Product architecture are one of the most important decisions during product development. Most researchers in this area are focused on the modification of product architecture, meaning that the design process of beach cleaner is carried out based on the predefined architecture. For schematic diagram of element, here we can see flow of forces of energy and the flow of material for each part in the beach cleaner. Schematic of element cluster is a cluster diagram. The generally type of diagram which represents some kind of cluster of main idea of product development. As you can see here, output, storage, conveyor, hook system, enclosure, chassis, handler, channeling system, filter, gear mechanism, tire mechanism, and surface. Next, for configuration design. For configuration design, we design a 3 idea for each part. For the conveyor, here we got a large with rubber belt and double material chain, double rubber belt. For hook, we got 3 design here. Body frame, also 3 design, grill body frame, full covered body frame, and see-through body frame. And for the bin, we got cubed trash bin, mesh trash bin, and plastic bag with clip. And for tire, we got normal tire, heavy duty tire, and LS tire. And for the selection, we decide to choose a conveyor is double chain, for hook is second choice, body frame is grill body frame, bin is cubed trash bin, and for the tire is heavy duty tire. Next is parameter design. For parameter design, is a process based on algorithmic thinking that enables expression of parameters and rules that together define encode and clarify the relationship between design intent and design response of the problem. And for the component analysis, component that would be analysis will be identified in this subtopic. For this product, we analysis done by calculation and simulation. And for the component that been analysis is motor, belt, and conveyor.
Hi, I am Adam Shauki bin Muhammad Rodi. For Chapter 5, I will present to you about detailed design and product simulation. So what is detailed design? Detailed design is a drawing of a single component assembly of multiple parts for an entire assembly system. A detailed drawing provides complete and precise description of a part's dimensions and the junctions between the components to show its detailed form. So this is an exploit drawing of our product. So the next slide is our product, the actual design of our product. So for the left one is a power transmit design, which is we use a DC motor, and the right one is a chain mechanism. So we did a static analysis. This is about stress. So we doing 5 part: bearing housing, dustbin, frame, sprocket, and tire. So the next one is a displacement for static analysis, and we did 2 static analysis for strain. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I will present to you about the prototyping and testing for our project. Prototyping and testing is one of the most important stage in design process. A prototype is a pre-production representation of some aspect of a concept or final design. First, we look at the materials that involve, which are multi-plate, storage, steel rig, sprocket, tire, bearing, and stainless steel rod. Next, we talk about the process that involve. First is idea screening, simple analysis, material selection, measuring, cutting, welding, drilling, grinding, joining and assembly, and lastly is finishing. Next, we go to testing. For testing requirements, the testing method that we use in our project is functional test, stress test, reliability test. For functional test, this method is done to ensure the prototype could function well to the user, also for the objective to be achieved. Next, for the stress test, this method is done through SolidWorks tensile test. This method will show the data of stress and strain for every part that we have drawn in SolidWorks. This will not cause a wastage as the test is done through the software. Next is reliability test. This is to ensure that the operation of running the beach cleaner is smooth and will not encounter jam when running for a period of time. For testing, performance of this prototype of beach cleaner was evaluated through the FMEA, which is the failure mode and effect analysis. This is a systematic proactive method for evaluating a process to identify the probability of our product will be failed.
Chapter 7: Sustainability. Sustainability consists of 3 elements. Firstly is economic. The economy is about resource conservation, and the concept is used to define and explain the value of today's resources and their potential value in the future. For example, the value can be explained with the help of indicators like added values, assets and debts, savings pattern, and intangible assets. Economic sustainability is an integrated part of sustainability and implies that resources such as human and material resources must be used, protected, and sustained in an attempt to establish sustainable long-term values through optimal use, recovery, and recycling. Secondly is social sustainability. It ensures that social and moral capital is preserved. Investments and services that establish a fundamental foundation for society are social capital. Active engagement as part of society, including the development of human and social capital. Social sustainability also important for ensuring the basic needs and the rights of workers and other stakeholders. Our products provide the capability to solve important problems which to maintain the clean environment on beach to improve the social quality. And next is the environment sustainability. The natural capital needed remains intact. This implies that the environmental resource and sink functions should not be degraded. Therefore, the exploitation of renewable resources should not exceed the pace at which they are renewed and should not exceed the environmental absorption potential for the assimilation of waste. Next is the social environment and environmental responsibilities, which include improvement of quality of life, protection of society, and design for environment.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashki bin Azman. So I will explain about the chapter 8, Economic, Costing and Business Plan. So here was manufacturing costs. We have 12 components, which are chains, sprocket, rake, rubbish bin, body frame, wheel, shaft, bearing, DC motor, screw, connecting rod, and pulley, with a total cost of 619 ringgit Malaysia. So overhead costs, we have 65 ringgit and 60 cent, with 40 cent electric bill, 20 cent water bill, 25 ringgit welding, and 40 ringgit transportation. And then we go to the business plan. We have business idea, next strategy, market research, target customer, goals, and also entrepreneur. And then we go to the key to success. So first of all, we must think, and then we analysis. Next, we plan. After plan, we must try, and then we improve, so then we can success. So next was SWOT analysis. So we have strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. So under strength, we have rapid growing and large market. Weakness, strong need for skilled technicians. Opportunities, large potential market. Threats, heavy competition in future. Next was marketing strategies. We have 4P, which are product, price, place, and promotion. So our product was beach cleaner. Price, premium pricing strategy. Place, factory, retailer, e-commerce. And last one is promotion. We advertising, public relation, and sales promotion. So last but not least was sales forecast. So our product cost was 690 ringgit. We sell it with 820 ringgit, and the profit or margin was 201 ringgit. So we assume we sell it 3 to 5 units per month with 36 units for 1 year, and the second year we have profit with 11,256 with 56 units, and for the third years we have sell with 59,040 ringgit Malaysia with profit 14,472 ringgit with 72 units.